everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to make these beautiful crochet open lip appliques. Dear friends, you can sew up these crochet lip appliques on your crochet garments. You can sew up on your bags, on your hats, anything you can imagine you can do it. You can also use this as a bag charm. Also you can ornament your bags with these. It is a very nice applique. If you have simple dresses, simple t-shirts, you can also sew up this. The pattern is very easy, dear friends. I will explain everything step by step. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much, dears. Let's go on how to make this. In this project, we are going to use cotton yarn. I will make these lips with this cotton yarn, but you don't need much yarn. If you have scrap yarn, this project is very nice to use those scrap yarns if they are in pink or red color, because we don't need much yarn. We need just small yarn, short yarn I mean. And I am going to use 3mm hook. We need a scissors to cut the yarn. That's all what we need for this project. I am taking my yarn in my hand. We are starting by making chains. First of all, I am making a slip knot. And upon this slip knot, I am making 30 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Like this. First of all, we are making our chains. After making 30 chains, I am skipping one stitch, going to the other, and making a single stitch in there. I mean, in the second stitch, I'm inserting my hook and making a single stitch like this. And I'm making yarn over, going to the following stitch, inserting my hook in there, here. In the chain 3, I'm inserting my hook, yarn over, pull through. I am making a half double crochet. Meanwhile, I want to explain you something. When I insert my hook through the chains, I'm not taking only one loop over the hook. What I am doing, I am inserting my hook through the loop that is below, I mean here, and as you see, there are now 2 loops on the hook. Let me show you like this. If I do this, the stitches will be more neatly, more secure. Now, after making 1/2 double crochet in the chain 3, now I am making yarn over, going to the chain 4, and look how I am inserting. I am not inserting like this. What I am doing, I am inserting my hook through the loop, beneath that loop, and now there are 2 loops over the hook, not only one loop. And I am making a double crochet like this, and 2 times yarn over. I am going to the chain 5, and in this chain 5 I am going to make, one moment, not only one loop, inserting my hook through the below loop, yarn over, pull through, making a triple crochet. Two times yarn over. In the same stitch, I mean stitch 5, chain 5 inserting my hook through the same stitch, making another triple crochet. Like this. As you see, I made 2 triple crochet in the chain 5, like this. Now I'm making yarn over. I will go to the chain 6 and I am going to make a double crochet like this. One moment, once again I will do it. This is chain 6, yarn over, pull through, and 1 double crochet, yarn over, stitch 7, chain 7, inserting my hook, and I am making a half double crochet. Now I am going to the chain 8, inserting my hook in there, yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch, yarn over. I am going to the chain 9, inserting my hook in there, making a half double crochet like this, yarn over. I am going to the chain 10, inserting my hook in there, yarn over, pull through, and I am making 1 double crochet, 2 times yarn over. I am going to the chain 11, inserting my hook in there. One moment, once again I will do it. Inserting my hook, chain 11, yarn over, pull through. I am going to make a triple crochet, 2 times yarn over. I will insert my hook through the same chain. I will insert my hook through the chain 11 again, and in the same stitch I am making another triple crochet. In this chain 11 we are making 2 triple crochet like this, yarn over. I am going to the chain 12 and making 1 double crochet like this. Now I'm making yarn over. I am going to the chain 13, inserting my hook in there, yarn over, pull through, making a half double crochet, and I am going to the chain 14, inserting my hook in there. This time I am making only a single stitch. Now I am going to the chain 15, inserting my hook in there and making a slip stitch like this. Now I am going to the chain 16 and making another slip stitch, chain 17. I am going to make a single stitch, and chain 18, yarn over. I am going to the chain 18 here, the following stitch, and making a half double crochet, yarn over. I am going to the chain 19 and making a half double crochet, In the chain 18 and 19, we made half double crochets one by one. Yarn over, I am going to the chain 20. This time I am making a double crochet like this. Yarn over, I am going to the chain 21, the following stitch, and making a double crochet. 2 times yarn over. This time I am going to the following stitch, I mean chain 22, and I am making a triple crochet. Two times yarn over. I am coming to the 23, I mean chain 23. In this chain 23 I am making 3 triple crochet. This is triple crochet 1, 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook in the same stitch. I am making second triple crochet, 2 times yarn over, inserting my hook through the same stitch. I am making triple crochet 3. In this stitch 23 we made 3 triple crochet like this. Yes, in the chain 23 we made 3 triple crochet, 2 times yarn over. I am going to the following stitch, inserting my hook in there and making another triple crochet. In the stitch 24 we made another triple crochet, yarn over. I am going to the following stitch, I mean chain 25, and making a double crochet, yarn over, going to the chain 26, making another double crochet, 27, making a half double crochet, 28, making another half double crochet, 29, I am making a single stitch, one moment here, making a single stitch, and 30, chain 30, making a slip stitch like this. Yes, dear friends, it's been like this. Now I will fold this like this. I am folding, and in the edge I'm inserting my hook like this. One moment, it's a bit tight. Yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. I folded this, making 1 chain, and I will cut the yarn. Okay, it is mainly finished. Now what we are going to do, we are going to give it perfect shape. We will correct it with our hands like this. We need a needle in order to sew up the edges a bit. It will be better. For this reason I need some yarn. Cutting it, but I will not use this like this. I will take only one play of this like this. I am finding only one play, okay, like this. I will use only this one. Yes, I will use this needle. I am making a knot. I will sew up the edges a bit. It will be better. it is okay for this way. Also, I will do the same thing for this one. I will sew up also these edges as well. Let me show you. Look, it's been like this, and I will sew also this edge. Okay. Now I will hide these yarn ends. I will hide this with small size hook. It is better for me. If you don't have small size hook, you can go on with the same hook that you already crochet. That's enough. I am cutting. Also, this yarn end I will hide in the same way. Yes, dear friends, it's been like this. It's really perfect. If you like, you can iron it. I have already ironed this one. Now I will also iron this one and come back to you. Yes, I ironed it also. This one, when ironing, it looks more neatly. Okay, dear friends, we came to the end of another project with you. Hope you loved this project. Hope you enjoyed these beautiful crochet lips appliques. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials, dear friends. Please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, and please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much. See you in the coming videos.